Everyone says AI is replacing IT support, but here's the truth. When things really breaks, companies still call one group, and that is the second line support engineers or the senior support engineers. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why AI is not going to take your job anytime soon. Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin Johnson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you work in the IT sector and you are worried that AI may replace your job, this video might seriously surprise you. Because while AI automation support is getting smarter, there are critical problems it still can't solve. So let's try and break it down. First, let's be fair to ourselves. AI support tools are great at certain things. For example, password reset, basic troubleshooting, knowledge-based answers, ticket routing, and simple known errors. Honestly, this is exactly why the IT first line support engineers are actually shrinking in many companies. So if you are working as a first line support engineer, I would definitely want you to upgrade your skills to become a senior support engineer or a second line support engineer because companies still need you at this time in 2026, even in 2027 or years to come. So here's the catch. AI works best when the problem is predictable. The moment you hit complex things, everything change very, very fast. So real IT environments are messy. Sometimes undocumented things are changing all the time. For example, legacy systems nobody fully understand, conflict logs across multiple platforms or across multiple operating systems, security issues, things that work yesterday but today it still does not work. So AI struggles here because it depends on pattern, but real incidents are pattern breakers. So that is where the second line support engineer comes in. As a second line support engineers, you just don't follow script. You do something that AI struggled with. For example, deep technical investigation. As a second line support engineer, you will need to actually correlate logs across systems, notice why timing issues, and spot things that are not documented anywhere. You have, as a second line support engineer, you have this creative problem solving. Sometimes the fix is not in any wrong books. It requires experience and educated guesswork. Also have, for example, risk assessment. AI may suggest a technically correct fix that will take down production, but humans understand the business pattern. So you can see the reason why second line support engineers are still needed in most companies today. So here's the irony. Even AI support systems depend on second line engineers to fix some issue because someone has to train the automation, handle edge cases, update knowledge bases, and fix automation when it fails. And also, sometimes we need to also investigate new incidents, sometimes that companies has never seen before, do some analytic thinking to actually fix a specific issues, even with AI solutions. You still need to know how to implement AI solution. Without a second line expertise, I will tell you AI support actually get worse over time. I watched a YouTube video in the United States where a lot of senior engineers were sacked because most companies, big tech companies, were thinking AI is going to replace these senior engineers. But today, they are hiring them back because what they thought AI is going to fix, in fact, AI is causing more problem. And the junior engineers don't have this analytic thinking on how to fix these issues. So, with my experience, let me tell you what is happening right now in most companies. The first line support is shrinking. So if you are working as a first line support engineer, definitely I will advise you to improve your skills, get more educated, get advanced knowledge on senior to become a senior support engineer. Automation is growing surely in most companies. In the company where I work, automation is the key right now. But strong line engineers are becoming more valuable. So if you're in IT support and you are worried about AI, here's the move. Don't compete with automation. Just try and level up yourself. The future belongs to engineers who can handle the weird, the complex, and the undocumented issues. So AI is not killing second line support engineers. It's actually making strong engineers more important than ever. The real question is this: are you building the skills AI can't replace? That is what you should be thinking right now. Don't be thinking of AI is going to take my job, but try to build the skills AI is not going to replace. I can tell you for free, AI is not going to replace Scrum Masters. AI is not going to replace problem solvers. AI is not going to replace project managers. So level up your skills and try to do what AI can't replace. In fact, I can tell you for free, in the company where I'm working right now, you may be thinking that AI is actually replacing a lot of senior support engineers or senior engineers, but that is not the case. Programmers are being employed. Senior system engineers are being employed. Second line support engineers are being employed. So you can see that second line support engineers are actually needed in a company. So if you are working as a first line support engineer, please try and get new skills. You can go to Udemy. There are a lot of online, even on YouTube, there are a lot of info on the internet that can level up your skills. Stop thinking that AI is going to replace your job. Of course, AI is not going to replace your job if you know exactly what you are doing. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you find this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. And also, if you think you have any question, please don't forget to ask your question, and I will reply to you as quick as possible. Are you watching this video and you want to become an IT second line support engineer and you don't know exactly what to do? Send me a personal message, or you can leave a comment in the comment section and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. You can also send me an email. You can see my email in the description of this video, and I will also reply to you as quick as possible. I can help you become that senior support engineer you always wanted to be. Thank you very much once more, and see you next time. Bye.